Okay, Bumblebee. That is a good one.
Okay, get a new one.
All right, so just in case you guys are wondering, I found these at Walmart. Now, these came out of a huge box of these, so...
So you picked all the Optimus Primes?
I don't know, I might have. This is not an Optimus. Oh, it's a Megatron. Okay, cool. And these were like $2 each. So, you know, a lot of money for Hershey Kisses, but not a lot once you get the
Not
toy.
a lot of money for a surprise toy.
Exactly.
Or
so
figure.
Here's Megatron. Now, this is like the classic look Megatron. I love it. Absolutely love it. That's really cool. So he has like the tank treads on the bottom. So this is going to be when Megatron used to turn into a tank.
He looks like a rock star wearing giant Kiss boots.
Oh, yeah, he could be. Very cool. You know what genre he sings?
Heavy metal.
Very good. Very good.
Because he's heavy metal.
That's right. Okay.
Nice. So 3.
Yep.
Good job. So
he's tilted sideways too.
This is not Hershey Kiss's fault. It's Paul's fault for picking duplicates.
Yeah. All right. There's the 5 Transformers from the Kisses Treasure Surprise.
Good job getting all 5, Paul.
It's amazing.
I'm impressed.
I am too. Okay, I'm impressed with the quality of the figures. The size is small, but the detail is really neat. And you immediately know who these characters are.
And you can immediately see their size now that there's a Hershey Kiss there for reference.
That's true.
So if you want to know how big they are, they're 1.5 Hershey Kisses tall.
There you go. Okay, Shannon, let's pick a favorite character and a favorite Hershey Kiss.
Okay. My favorite character, I'm going to go with Optimus Prime.
Okay.
The leader of them all.
Optimus.
And I'm going with this bag of Hershey Kisses right here.
Okay.
That one's the best.
That's a good one. All right, I'm going to pick... This is tough. I'm going to go with Megatron as my favorite. I love those purple, like dark blue purplish boots that he has. That's my favorite figure.
You just like him because he's in a heavy metal band.
I do. My favorite Hershey Kiss is going to be...
Which one?
It's going to be this bag, this
That
second one in right there.
Okay.
That one. How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That'll make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where you can never have enough duplicate Hershey Kisses. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.